Malda district in West Bengal is considered to be the ground zero of fake currency network in India. The district shares its border with Bangladesh. Till last week, Kaliachok and Vaishnavnagar areas in the district were considered to be the hub of fake currency. A large amount of fake currency used to get into India from Bangladesh through the border. Locals residing near the border were working of distributing fake currency to other parts. Despite strict vigilance by BSF personnel at borders, fake currency used to make their way to India. The notes were bundled in sacks and were transported to India. Many a times BSF and police have seized large amount of fake currency from the border. 98 people have been arrested in connection of dealing in fake currency.
এই বছর আমাদের টোটাল জাল নোট রিকভারি
So far, fake currency amounting around 1 crore 14.5 lakh crore rupees was seized this year. 75 cases have been registered and 98 people have been arrested in this case. The number, however, is lesser than the previous year. In last 4 months, we have nabbed people who are wanted for this illegal practice.
উল্লেখযোগ্য কিছু কাজের মধ্যে
Most of the fake currency was in 500 and 1000 rupee notes. The demonetization by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has managed to put an end to this illegal trade. Malda Chamber of Commerce President Jayant Kundu thanked the Prime Minister for the initiative.
मोदी जी को सलाम जानता हूँ कि मोदी जी ये नया चालू किया 1000 रुपया 500 रुपया का चाल बंद कर दिया। वो बंद करने से मालदा होता है, ये कॉरिडोर होता है, जाल नोट का कॉरिडोर होता है मालदा। यहाँ से ऑल इंडिया में जाल नोट जाता है, हमारा देश का सब प्रांत में जाल नोट पहुँचाता है। लेकिन मोदी जी का एक 8 तारीख का घोषणा का पर टोटल जाल नोट का कारोबारी बंद हो गया।
Bangladesh was not only the source of fake currency. Police investigations had found that large-scale manufacture of the notes may also be done in Pakistan and the consignments transported to Dubai or Nepal for entry into India. Bureau Report, DD News.